This little video is just to show you the state of the roads in Lincolnshire, which Lincolnshire County Council think is acceptable. This is going into Swayton. This is allegedly repaired this week. Loose grit all the way down this road. Here, look, loose grit. Acceptable is what the council said. No further plan needed. This is dangerous and disgraceful, and it should have something done about it. I hope each and every one of you who see this will share the disgraceful road repairs we have to put up with in Lincolnshire, while some fat bloke in the council gets richer. Share the hell out of this, please. Thank you.